आता लास्ट टायम आमी जेन्ना स्कॅम केला तो स्कॅम आमी हायलायट केलो डस्टबिनाचो आमकडे तेन्ना RTIचे डॉक्युमेंट नासले म्हणजे लास्ट टायम हे जे पेटिशन फायल केला लोक आयकतान कोणें केला तें ही वॉज एन MLA दॅट टायम मिस्टर रोहन गावडे ही हॅड फायल and Chief Minister Mr. Parrikar, Mr. Parrikar, he has already put in, he has said that the proposal of Tourism Department has bypassed all the major points raised during the discussion. The contract is messed up and the tender documents have been weak on forcing execution. So it is accepted by the Chief Minister that the tender was not proper and after this there is a recommendation from the Lok Ayuktha. The recommendation says the ACP should reopen the investigation, particularly keeping in the view of possibility of the conspiracy and kickbacks. The question of referring the matter to CBI for investigation may be considered by the government. So there is a recommendation from the Lok Ayuktha also. Now I don't know where this recommendation of under whose pillow this file is. So this is one part. Now we have filed in Lok Ayuktha 2 days back. Okay, I have given you the note press note on this. Our demands are simple. We have just asked the Lok Ayuktha in our petition to recover the dues that they fraud झाले होते आणि दुसरे ते कोण इन्वॉल्ड हा गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफिसर तांकां सस्पेंड करचे आणि माझे मागणे चीफ मिनिस्टर कडेन की टुरिजम मिनिस्टराक चॅक करतो नाल्यार ऑन द ग्राउंड दॅट ही कॅनॉट हँडल दिस डिपार्टमेंट प्रॉपरली ही शूड गिव हिज रेजिग्नेशन. दिस इज आवर डिमांड बिकॉज दिस इज ऑल हॅपन maybe with his knowledge or maybe without his knowledge. He should take the responsibility what is happened.